How to restart the graphics driver in Windows 11. Facing display issues like flickering screens, frozen apps, or sudden blackouts? Instead of rebooting your whole system, Windows 11 lets you restart the graphics driver directly. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to restart the graphics driver in Windows 11 while keeping your system stable. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites. It's important that you have these two prerequisites checked before trying any of the methods below. First, your GPU should be using a WDDM compliant driver, which is standard for modern Windows. You can verify this through Device Manager by opening your GPU's properties and checking the Driver tab. Next, save your work before restarting. Apps like games or editors may pause or reload when the driver restarts. How to restart the Windows 11 graphics card. The fastest method is a built-in keyboard shortcut. This method doesn't need administrator rights, but it may not work in remote desktop sessions. Press Win plus Control plus Shift plus B at the same time. The screen will flicker or briefly go black as the driver reloads. If audio is enabled, you'll hear a short beep confirming success. If the shortcut fails, use Device Manager. This reloads the driver, which may cause your screen to quickly flicker as the GPU resets. Press Win plus X, then select Device Manager. You'll need administrator privileges to access this. Expand display adapters and right-click your GPU. Choose Disable Device. Wait a few seconds, then right-click again and select Enable Device. For advanced users, PowerShell provides a scriptable way to restart the driver. The principle is simple. Disable the GPU device, pause briefly, then re-enable it. This is especially useful for automation or systems with multiple GPUs. The full PowerShell commands and scripting examples are provided in the blog post, so check that out if you're managing hybrid or enterprise setups. Pro tips for resetting the graphics driver. Restarting the driver solves most glitches, but here are tips for persistent issues. Set permissions for hybrid GPU systems. If you use both integrated and discrete GPUs, set app-specific GPU preferences to avoid priority conflicts after a reset. Diagnose crashes. Use Event Viewer to look for Event ID 4101, which signals driver timeouts. Configure power settings. Disable PCIe link state power management in advanced power options to reduce GPU-related timeouts. Check driver maintenance. If restarts don't help, update your drivers with NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel tools. In summary, you can restart the graphics driver in Windows 11 by using the shortcut for quick fixes, Device Manager if you need more control, and PowerShell for automation. If issues persist, consider deeper troubleshooting. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to restart the graphics driver in Windows 11, linked in the description below.